Hello guys and gals, how we doing today? Here we are at the 256 garage where I'm doing some detail work on an 82 Camaro. I went ahead and I taped off the lenses for the tail lights, and I've retrimmed blacked everything that was trimmed black factory. It was 1982, so most of it was wore off and wore thin. So I just cleaned it up, scuffed it, taped the lenses off, and reshot it with some trim black. Looks real good, turned out good. I'm gonna take and clean and buff the lenses now. Probably should have done that before I trim blacked it, but I got a little excited. I like to spray the paint. But it's looking real good, You can take a car, you can paint all over and do the slickest job you want to do. If you just put it back together with the faded and worn stuff back on it, it just takes away from that nice new paint job you just done. So in order to help that and make it look that much better, you clean every lens, buff every lens you can buff. If it had a trim black on it, you repaint that trim black. You do the bolts that way, and it just makes for a much nicer job. But there it is, there's the tail lights. I'll untape this one and put it back in the car.